In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up biometric authentication on your Binance account. Whether you're tired of typing your password every time you log in, or you simply want a faster and more secure way to access your account, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know clearly and confidently. First, open your Binance app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in yet, enter your credentials and complete any required verification, like a PIN or two-factor authentication. Once you're inside the app, take a moment to confirm everything is loading properly so you don't miss any options. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon, usually shown as 3 lines. This will open a side menu with several account-related options. From here, tap on your profile icon to access your account settings. This section is where you can manage security, preferences, and important account features. Now, inside your profile settings, tap on the option labeled Security. This is where Binance lets you control how your account is protected. Within the Security section, look for Passkeys or Biometrics and tap on it. You'll see options related to fingerprint or face authentication depending on what your device supports. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your phone already has fingerprint or face unlock enabled. Keep your app updated to the latest version and ensure your screen lock is active. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary setup issues. Once you're ready, tap on Add Passkey. Follow the on-screen instructions as your device scans your fingerprint or face. Binance will then ask you to confirm using your current PIN or login method. After that, your biometric authentication will be activated without interruptions. It's also a good idea to test it once by logging out and logging back in. This extra step ensures everything works smoothly and keeps your account secure. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to log into Binance using biometric authentication easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who want faster and safer access to their Binance account. Why not make someone's day easier?